Hello and welcome! Today we will talk about making a suggestion, giving advice for different problems. So in this lesson we have problems and suggestions, helping people with different problems. To ask about a problem, you can say, "What's wrong? What's the matter? What's the problem?" And maybe they will tell you their problem. "Oh, that's too bad. That's terrible." Then give a suggestion. "Make sure you do this." It's similar to "you should do this." Again, make sure you do this. Here's an example. What's wrong? I'm going to the store and it's raining. That's too bad. Make sure you take an umbrella. Okay, I will. Let's practice. What's the matter? My shoulder hurts and I have a backache. That's terrible. Make sure you take a break from the computer and stretch. Okay, I will. What's wrong? She has a bad cough and a fever. That's too bad. Make sure you take this medicine and get some rest. Okay, we will do that. Thank you. What's wrong? I'm so tired. I couldn't sleep last night. That's too bad. Make sure you buy some coffee. And make sure you go to bed early tonight. How are you feeling? I feel okay today. My stomach doesn't hurt. That's good. Make sure you tell the doctor if you feel bad. Okay, I will. Thank you. What's the matter? I have a headache every day. I can't focus on anything. That's terrible. Make sure you go see a doctor. What's the matter? He had an accident. That's awful. Make sure you take care of him. Okay, we will. I can't get to the goal. Make sure you pass the ball. Figure skating is so hard. Make sure you keep practicing. Don't give up. Yes, coach. My body hurts a lot after exercising. Make sure you stretch after exercising and drink lots of water. It will get better after some time. Okay, I will. What's wrong? My computer isn't working. Make sure you tell the teacher. Okay, I will tell her. I don't understand. Make sure you talk to me after class. I will help you. Okay. What's the problem? I don't understand the homework. Make sure you look in the textbook. There are a lot of good examples. Okay, I will look there. Good job, everyone. Make sure you practice giving suggestions.